Damn, it's been a long time since I pissed this shit up, bro. Today it's gonna be today's gonna be a fun experience for me. Make my Civic look kind of better. Kind of better than it already is, actually. Today we are modding. Not modding. Yeah, you could say modding. We're about to transform this girl. She's not going to look like this anymore. Good front. Hey, buddy. I'm scared of the camera. I gotta move the car up to the front. I didn't grab my keys like a weirdo. She's gonna. I'm not even gonna say that's a video. It's a video for something else. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, I got some goodies. Got some goodies. We about to do a whole transformation on this bit today. I ain't gonna lie. Got some goodies. How should I do it though, gang? Should I open the gate with it? I don't want to be on the street. It's straight mods. Like, I think I'm gonna open the gate with it. Damn, now I need the other key. Monte. No belt. A good transformation today. I got a lot to do. It's a lot, but not a lot. It's a lot. I ain't gonna lie. They got parts. More parts. Get it? More parts. Nah, but I wanna see them. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I got like a general idea. Hold on. I got like a general idea of what to do, but I don't know what exactly I'm doing on this car. The Civic. Not this one. My first time really working on a 10 gen Civic. I haven't done anything. This is gonna be my first ever miles on this car. Not gonna lie. I don't like bugs at all, bro. Goofy gonna protect me from the bugs, bro? Oh, you hear that, gang? See that? That zzz. I don't like that shit, bro. Just know this is the last step. Out of everything I got here, this box is the last step. I don't know if you know what's in this box now, but real OGs know what this is. Real ones know what this is. It's light. If you know, you know. This is gonna be second to last. Second to last. Light package as well. Got some, say like pound and a half. Not even. This shit. I got a lot of shit, bro. I think I'm gonna do the easy shit first. Easy 1-2 shit that I know is gonna be easy. I'm about to show you what they are right now. So you know I had to go crazy. You know it? Come on now. It's the only brand I use, man. No sponsor. See, gotta be LED down. Gotta be LED down. That last fit. I like to say last fit technology, but the way they go is last fit lighting. Auto LED lighting. So those are the headlights. Oh, I can't really. Damn. Got the fog lights right here. This is the interior LED. All last fit, by the way. Front signal lights. Rear signal light. No, these are reverse lights. Only thing that's not last fit. Only thing that's not last fit are my my signal lights and my brake lights. You're gonna see why. I'm gonna install these when I install these. These are like the same type of installation, just in different parts. You probably know what they are. Okay, so sadly, I don't have any plastic pry tools. Why is there bees around my car? So, I gotta do this the hard, rough way, which I don't really want to do it. Let me just show you. I'm gonna show you before. Where's mods? 1, 2, 3, and then it's one in the trunk. I don't got any soft pry tools. Yeah, I know. Don't flame me in the comments. I know already. But I still get the job done, so I'll show you when I switch it, man. So before, you're gonna surely see the after. Anyway. Oh. No, you feel me? This is how it's supposed to be, gang. Come on now. Come on now. Shee, wait till I'm doing all these bitches, guys. It's about to be turned. Took me like 5 minutes. What? I got all them bitches done. You feel me? There's only a few of them. Nothing crazy. Next, should I focus on this? Look at those. Screwdriver. Yeah, I might do the tail lights next. Okay, so I found out these bitches are held on by clips. I don't like clips because clips like to break. So, I'm not gonna do this with one hand. I'm gonna do this with two. You're just gonna watch me do it. Oh my god, it's so. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, I don't like clips. I do not like clips. I feel like I'm about to break this shit. I got one out. Oh my god. It's way too much for me. It's about to come out. Oh yeah, it hurts so bad. Oh my god, it's so filthy back here. Oh yeah. I didn't even take off the actual clip. I took off the socket for the clip. Oh yeah. Oh, that's not fun. Man, what's this? Shit. Good tail light. I think I'm gonna do the other mod too. Since I'm already at the back, taking shit off. And the second mod is get ready, get steady. We about to go heavy on some parts. I got LED reflectors for the rear bumper. You feel me? And they smoke, so I can blend in with that black gang. What you looking at? But see, I don't know why I gotta wire these up to. Just like these. Where am I wiring these up to? That's the question. This man, just
I went to Old and evaluate this shit.
I should look good when it's done. Alright. In order to get these to work, you gotta wire them up to the actual tail light. And I don't have any jumper wires or connectors, so I'm just going straight to the harness. Hopefully I'm doing this right. We'll see. I'm matching up the colors like the instruction says. For the instructions, just give me what color goes where. And that's how I'm doing it. So just give me. But I do got them in. I got both of them in. Can't even see the red no more. Good smoke. It blends in so well. Do the turn signal. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Alright, you can put it back into neutral.
You dropped your fucking shit.
Nah, it's not.
No, it's looking like a black spot right there. Shiny and nice, it's like an emblem or something.
Alright, so I had to put down the camera for a minute. It got hot, the sun came out. I just got in tune, got everything done, really. Everything done. I'll show you the fronts right now. What's the deal? Oh, I got some lights. And then, hold on, that's not even the only thing. Watch this. The yellow. Yellow. I'm about to go. I need a car wash for real. Everything good ricer mods. I'm sorry I didn't show y'all what I had to do. I basically had to pop these out. So nerve-wracking because they so stiff. I had to pop these out, unscrew the whole fog light. That's the easiest way for me, I guess. Instead of going through the inside, try to get to the back of the bumper. I'm not done. I still got 2 more things to do. 3, but I'm not gonna do one of them today. We are LED down. Such a big difference, bro. Just wait till nighttime. Nighttime I'm gonna show some shit. Nighttime I'm gonna show some shit. I'm not done. I'm not done. It really is the little things, bro. Like, look how much of a difference that makes. Good wind guards. It's nighttime now. I ain't touched the camera in mad long, but I have to wait till nighttime so you can see how it really looked though. That's the cruise way. And you got the JDM way. Good Lord. Good LED. I'm gonna be pop on. Damn! Oh shit, it's switched. Oh yeah, I gotta wait for it to turn on. Wait, couple seconds. Now it's white. PC on the way. Streams on the way. RP on the way. Hey, I'm excited. I'm gonna go. What is my Twitch? I don't even know. I'll upload my Twitch and shit later when I really get back into it. The face. Niggas snow the face. Oh my god. Ball ain't gonna win.